After all the noise and outrage fades, let's not forget who put these aberrations, the failure to indict a cop in Ferguson, Missouri, and Staten Island, New York, before the grand jury. This isn't a question of whether the respective cops should have been indicted, but about the ethical duty of the big guy who made the call, the district attorney. If a prosecutor does not believe he has probable cause to prosecute someone, then he has an ethical duty to not do so. That means he doesn't present the case to the grand jury. What, you ask? But the town folk would be marching on his office with torches and pitchforks. So what? It's not the DA's job to do as the mob demands. It's his sworn duty, his ethical duty, to do justice. And if he doesn't have the goods, then it's his job to say no and take the heat for it. Yes, it can be hard to hold public office and perform an unpleasant duty. But nobody said you get to be the big guy without pain. What the district attorney cannot do, at least not ethically, is put on a dog and pony show designed to fail. By doing what isn't done under normal circumstances, where dozens of cases are presented to the grand jury in the course of an ordinary day, they have deliberately sabotaged their presentment. Sure, it can be spun into faux fairness and transparency, but that's just a lie for the unwary. They know, and now you know, that's not how it works. This was just to appease the mob. Many of you will say, but I can understand how much pressure was on these prosecutors to present these cases. How could they not? Well, that's a fair question, and the answer is one of ethics. If they believe the probable cause existed, then they present for the purpose of obtaining an indictment without any of the games put on for public consumption. But if not, then their ethical duty is to not present at all. Sure, it puts these prosecutors in a hard position. The courage of one's convictions is always hard when the mob is banging down your door. But ethics isn't only for easy times, but hard ones as well. And when a prosecutor, any lawyer, fails to spectacularly fulfill his ethical duty, then there's a price to pay.